Hey guys, welcome back. This is Shubham and you're watching Wrestling Battle. Friends, WWE Royal Rumble no doubt is one of the most exciting pay-per-view of the year for fans. Not only is that beginning of the road to WrestleMania, but the entire feeling of counting down the clock to see who will enter the Royal Rumble next is one of the best experience for a WWE fan. WWE Royal Rumble 2020 saw Drew McIntyre and Charlotte Flair win the men's and women's Royal Rumble matches respectively. This victory was a career-defining win for Drew McIntyre, who went on to challenge Brock Lesnar at WrestleMania 36 for the WWE Championship and defended him to win his first major title in the company. While we are 1 month away from the WWE Royal Rumble 2021, so the speculation for the potential winner have already started. In this video, I will tell you that who could win the men's Royal Rumble next year. So please watch this video up to the end because this is going to be a very interesting video, and please do subscribe this channel. So friends, let's start this video. Friends, one of the biggest shocker of this year came at 2020 WWE Draft when Big E was separated from his New Day brothers. While it was heartbreaking to see genuine emotions on the face of Big E, this decision was necessary for him to become a top singles superstar. For those who might not have followed him during his time in NXT, Big E was the second ever NXT champion, defeating Seth Rollins to win the title. He was the famous for 5 counts in NXT, where he used to pin his opponent for 5 counts instead of usual 3 counts. While he has a great time on the main roster as the part of New Day, he is talented enough to become a world champion. With the rumors of him being in for a huge push on SmackDown, WWE might go all in and make Big E the winner of 2021 Men's Royal Rumble match to set up a clash against Universal Champion Roman Reigns. And even recently we saw Big E won the Intercontinental Champion, so his good time has been started in WWE. Friends, one of the most talented main roster superstars with no clear direction right now is Kevin Owens. The former Universal Champion is one of the most experienced and charismatic superstars on SmackDown roster, but for some reason is lost in the mix. But that could change at WWE Royal Number 2021. Kevin Owens picked up a massive victory over Seth Rollins earlier this year at WrestleMania 36. Unfortunately, there were no plans for him after that. After getting briefly involved in the Seth Rollins Mysterio feud, Kevin Owens had a feud with Aleister Black last month at 2020 WWE Draft. He was moved over Friday Night SmackDown. KO was the part of Team SmackDown at WWE Survivor Series 2020 but failed to make an impact as Team Raw picked up a clean sweep victory over them. Recently we saw a huge match between Roman Reigns and Kevin Owens. It was a very fantastic match that happened between these two guys. So it explained that Kevin Owens' time has been started. It is the high time Kevin Owens jumps back to the relevance, and that could happen at WWE Royal Rumble 2021 with him winning the Royal Rumble match. Guys, who can forget the epic face-off between Keith Lee and Brock Lesnar at Royal Rumble 2020? Since last year's Survivor Series, Keith Lee has made some huge waves and impressed the WWE Universe on every occasion possible. After winning the NXT Championship and North American Championship at the same time, Keith Lee made his main roster debut on the night after SummerSlam 2020 and joined Monday Night Raw. His stay on the Red brand didn't start well, with WWE changing up his look and theme song. much to the disappointment of his fan. Slowly he is starting to get his act back together and was the part of the victorious Team Raw at WWE Survivor Series 2020. He has proven in the last year or so just how charismatic he can be. Lee relatively short title reign on NXT was also very impressive. WWE Royal Rumble 2021 would be a perfect opportunity for the company to push Keith Lee as a main eventer by letting him win the WWE Royal Rumble match. Hopefully fans will in attendance in some capacity by the time Royal Rumble comes around, and they would see Keith Lee as the winner of 2021 Royal Rumble match. Friends, the tribal chief Roman Reigns and the entire Samoan family storyline has been one of the most angles on WWE TV in a long time. While there are speculation of The Rock returning to face Roman Reigns, there is certain Samoan submission machine who could give the tribal chief a run for his money starting at Royal Rumble 2021. After winning the NXT Championship twice, Samoa Joe made his main roster debut with a lot of hype. He has had several shots at WWE as well as the Universal title but hasn't been able to win either of them. Due to his injuries, Samoa Joe has mostly worked as a commentator on Raw this year, but he has teased getting physically involved on few occasions. Well, the company might be planning a massive in-ring return of Samoa Joe at Royal Rumble 2021. He is certainly someone whom fans would love to see win the Royal Rumble match and challenge Roman Reigns for the Universal Championship. He might even return as a heel with the Royal Rumble and challenge Drew McIntyre for WWE Championship, a feud we have never seen before. Friends, just the mere thought of the Fiend entering the Royal Rumble match makes a fan start wondering about fantasy scenario as to how WWE would book someone like the Fiend in a setting like the Royal Rumble match. We have previously seen Bray Wyatt enter the match, but he is yet to win it. With his split personality, there are some really interesting ways in which WWE could use him in a Royal Rumble match. Consider a scenario where the Firefly Funhouse version of Bray Wyatt enters the match. He might take quite some beating only to disappear suddenly later. The Fiend could make his chilling appearance during the final moments of the match and win the Royal Rumble. To make things even more interesting, Alexa Bliss could win the Women's Royal Rumble match. Friends, there is certainly a lot of unfinished business between the Fiend and the Roman Reigns, who was one of the ended in second Universal title reign earlier this year, merely a week after Wyatt won it at SummerSlam 2020. With the kind of momentum Roman Reigns has right now, there are hardly any superstar who stand a chance to defeat him, but the Fiend can certainly be one to do so. We just hope that if Reigns loses to him, he doesn't go back to his generic Shield Superman gimmick. So friends, this is all about from this video. I hope you like this video. Friends, I'm telling you, the superstar I mentioned in this video, among these 5 superstars, definitely one of them is going to win the Men's Royal Rumble match. So friends, this is all about from this video. Please hit the like button and share this video, and please do subscribe this channel and hit the notification bell as well. So friend, we will meet in the next video. For now friend, take care of family, take care of yourself. Bye bye friends, and thank you for watching this video.